Today we're going to talk about how to use your ComfyRay XT Skinny with your DentiMax Dream Sensor while doing endo. First of all, I'm going to place the cord in one of the 3 cord management clips. There's one here, there's one on the top, and there's one underneath. For endo, we have what we refer to as the shark fin biplane, which is perfect to fit directly behind a post for doing implants or behind a rubber dam when you're doing endo. And this is just an awesome way to have your patient hold this directly up against your rubber dam here. And this is very similar to the old technique when you were using film with a curved hemostat. Very similar in theory. So this is the easiest and best way to position your ComfyRay XT Skinny with your DentiMax Dream Sensor directly behind either a post for an implant or behind your rubber dam when you're doing this with endo.